after the surgery. And first of all, how do you feel?
I feel so much better. I'm
Okay.
stiff. I feel a bit stiff in the back.
Anything in the leg? If you just stand there for a second, and can you stand upright? Now, do you get anything in your leg? Any pain, numbness? No? And how do you feel generally in yourself?
Still a bit groggy.
Yes.
Sort of a bit.
Okay.
But otherwise,
Good.
good.
Considering 2 hours after
Yes.
a spinal operation.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. And before this, I mean, if you had this much walking, would you have got the symptoms?
I would have been in pain, yes.
You would have been in pain just walking this much.
That much.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
And
walking.
standing for that long, I could not do. I would have lifted that leg and stayed on
Yeah.
the right leg.
Wow. Perfect.